Hi everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about credit booster no-nos for a mortgage loan. So I'm really excited about this video. So if you're looking to figure out what are credit boosters no-nos, if you're thinking of getting a mortgage loan, stay tuned. So what not to do if you plan on getting a mortgage. I know there are tons of tips and hacks to boost your credit score, many of what I've talked about on my YouTube channel. However, lenders frown upon some of them when getting a mortgage. So I know that a lot of people don't talk about this, but it does happen. So mortgage lenders look at your debt to income when determining your monthly payments or your mortgage payments, or even what you qualify for. So I know a lot of people that start out looking to build their credit score. Their overall plan is to get a home, to buy a home. And usually they will go through a mortgage loaner. So one credit booster no-no if you are planning on getting a mortgage and buying a home is Experian Boost. So I do talk a lot about why I remove Experian Boost from my credit report. I will link that video in the top right screen, but this right here is going to be primarily about the mortgage. So Experian Boost is basically when you're adding utility bills or bills that don't really report to the credit bureaus, and Experian helped you get those bills to report to your credit report to basically boost your credit score. However, I talk about how in that video I will link, I talk about how it actually just boosts your Vantage score and not your FICO score. But there is another reason why I remove Experian Boost and why Experian Boost will be a no-no if you plan on getting a mortgage. So, however, Experian Boost is frowned upon to mortgage lenders, yes, because the bills that you are adding on to your Experian Boost, which is your credit report, that will be considered debt. So mortgage lenders do pull all through your credit scores, right? So if they see that this debt is added onto your credit report, it will be now added onto your debt to income. However, it is considered bad debt. So bad debt is usually something that they will either deny you with, or make you pay it, or make you remove it from your credit report. So in all actuality, it's kind of like you're setting yourself up for failure when you're doing a mortgage lending process. I would not add it at all. Okay, so each bill you add to your Experian Boost will, basically what I said will be your Vantage score, and it will actually be bad debt to your mortgage lenders. And also each bill that you add to your Experian Boost will be added on to your bad debt for mortgage lenders. So they will add that to the bad debt. They will add that to your debt to income. It will either increase your monthly payment for your mortgage. It will probably lower you for what you qualify for. And most lenders, they'll probably tell you remove it, deny you, or extend the application process until the credit report is updated without the Experian Boost. So if you have a home that you want to close on and you get to the signing table and they say, you know what, wait, I added this Experian Boost, and they finally see it on your credit report, this may stop your process. And this has happened for tons of people where they're trying to get the score up and they're trying to find a faster way to boost their score, and they use Experian Boost. They get to the signing table, the closing table, and it all just messes up everything. They're unable to close and, stuff like that. So most mortgage lenders will tell you within 30 days, do not add any debt, do not add any loans. And a lot of people don't realize that Experian Boost is that. So I wanted to, always keep you guys on game and make sure you guys are aware of that. So to be updated and aware, just always ask your mortgage lender, hey, is Experian Boost something that you guys look upon on? Is it something that I should add? Most lenders will tell you no, just flat out no. So, just make sure you're aware of that. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that because this is definitely a mortgage no-no. So another one is self-lender, okay? I know you guys are not self-lender. How could that be? That raised my score of 70, 80 points. How is this a mortgage? No. Okay, I'll tell you why. So self-lender is a loan that you receive, right? And then you pay it back and then you receive the loan amount, to you at the end. Okay, so this helps show payment history, and it really helps boost your score if you're starting out building your credit, if you have little to no credit, right? However, there's always a however, most people start out building out their credit will go this route, right? A lot of people recommend self-lender, which is okay, but a lot of people don't know that it will hurt your mortgage lending process. So if you are a person that is looking to build, your credit score to buy a home, self-lender may not go that route. However, if you pay back your self-lender account before you get the mortgage, then you're okay. But if you still have that self-lender loan current during the time you get a mortgage, the loan amount that you take out and haven't paid off at that time, when you get a mortgage, it will become now your debt, your bad debt, which will be added to your debt to income ratio, which mortgage will ask you to either pay it all off, add it to your debt to income ratio, which will make your payment higher, or they will deny you. So just keep in mind, okay, that this is something that will likely happen. So here is a little helpful tips if you're, if you were thinking about Experian Boost and you were thinking about self-lender, you're probably like, okay, well, what do I do next? If I'm trying to buy a house, what is a better way to build my credit score? So if you're looking to boost your score to buy a home with a mortgage lender, you may want to find other ways to boost your score. And of course, as Designer Soapbox, I'm going to give you a lot of other ways. So trade lines are a good credit booster. I talk about trade lines that have no hard inquiries like Ox Publishing, Hudson Chase, Grain, Kickoff, but there's other trade lines as well like My Jewelers Club or New Coast Direct. So you can also try them. Those are really good trade lines. Also, secured loans is a really good credit boost. Now, these are secured loans that, are like a pledge loan and stuff like that. Now, it will be added as your debt to income. However, it's something that most lenders won't tell you that you need to pay it off. It'll just be added on as debt to income. Secured credit cards and authorized users is also good credit boosters, okay? So this is also what I recommend if you're looking to build your credit score. If you have less than 2 credit cards, you might want to get a secured credit card and also rack up on some authorized users. Ask your parents, grandparents, uncles, someone with good credit that has 100% payment history, that has a good debt to income ratio, their utilization is low, and they have a good credit age. Become an authorized user on their credit card to get you that extra credit boost, okay? So try to avoid ways to boost your credit that will add debt to your credit. So like I said, like loans, student loans, in Experian Boost, things that, if a credit bureau offer you ways to boost your credit score, try to read between the lines and also ask, would this be added to my debt? Okay, if so, you might want to avoid those type of credit hacks. Also, if you are unsure that the things that you may add will hurt your mortgage lending process, you can always call a mortgage lender and ask in advance, hey, if I add this to my credit report, would this hurt my application in the future? They are really, most lenders are really helpful and they'll tell you straight up, because honestly, people have gone that route and they'll likely tell you, what, we have clients right now that also did that and it hurt them in the process. I wouldn't recommend anybody doing that. So, there are a lot of mortgage lenders that will tell you straight up. Even if you may not go with them in the future, it's always best to get some mortgage lenders' input before adding stuff to your credit report if you do planning on buying a home. Because you just don't want to get stuck in the process, or you just don't want to, have to start back at square one. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.